Hi students, this is Vijayanjana. Welcome to our online classes. Students, in previous classes we have all discussed about our diversity country, means understanding diversity. How our country is full of diversity according to their cultures, religions, background, different backgrounds and different languages, sports. So we all have discussed. Means last class we also discussed about the how our country also diversity according to their regions. Means we have all discussed about the different parts of our country, that is Ladakh and another one is Kerala. So today we are going to study about the unit of diversity. What unit in diversity? Unit means together in diversity. After all the diversity of country, after all the country is full of diversity, how we are unit means how we are together. Today we are going to learn about this. But before going to learn about the unity in diversity about our country, we will I will give some example of your school or about your friends. Let's think students, where you are studying in your school. If someone of your different friends are there with your friend circle, means different classes are there and different your friends they came different background, different culture also they came. So all the students in your school they are full different. If you think in your outside someone is fighting with your friend, at that time what you will do? You will against, you will go protest them and you will support your friends. Why? Because you need your friend circle, so you want to support your friend, so you want to protest them who is fighting with your friend. So this is the small example what I mean to say, means how we are unit, means when some emergencies come, when some bad situation is coming, we are unit, we are together. Means when your friends they are giving punishment or they are fighting with your friends outside, but when you are seeing that someone is fighting with your friend, you are going and you are protesting them, you are support your friend. So this is called unit, means we are unit at the time of bad situation, at the time of a other situation. When something is coming in front of us, we are going and we are protesting them. So this is called unit, because we all the students in our school or your school anywhere, when we are studying in one school, all the different types of students are there in different classes, different cultures they came, different background also came. But when outside you someone is fighting with your friend, we are going and we are protesting them because we need our friend. So we are showing our unit. So that is called unity in diversity. We all are diversity, means we came different homes and different cultures, different backgrounds. But at the time of bad situation, we are showing our unit. How we are unit, how we are together. So that only today we are going to learn about our unit in diversity. Means about our countries. How our country is full of diversity. After all, how our country is unit, means together. So let's start our new chapter is unity in diversity. So first, India's diversity has source of its strength. So first of all, he is telling India's diversity is a source of its strength. Means our diversity giving source of our strength. Means it is our strength. How our diversity is strength? Just before I said we all are different. Means according to color, height and different background, different culture, but that a bad situation, we are the unit. Like this our country also, means whole country also unity in the time of battle. How? Its diversity giving strength. Diversity giving strength. So India's diversity has a source of its strength. Means our diversity giving strength, which is the source of our strength. And how it is showing unity and how it's our strength, showing its strength, a source of strength. I will explain one by one. When the British ruled India, women and men from different cultures religious and regional backgrounds come together to oppose the British. To oppose them means British. So just now I said you the unity in diversity. How our country is unit or together the after all diversity. So means when the British ruled India in 200, we all know before 200 years the British ruled over in India, and at that time what happened? Women and men and from different cultures, religious and regional background come together to oppose the British. Before 200 years, I am talking about before 200 years. When the British ruled over our India, at that time what happened? In our country's people, means different cultures, it may be men, women and from different cultures, religious and regional background come together to oppose the British. Why? And when India's freedom movement was going on, when our India wants to freedom at that time, all over the country, different types of background, cultures, they came together to fight against the British. So they work together to decide the joint action. So at that time what happened? Now different types of peoples are lived in our country, means different cultures and background also. Hindu, Muslim, Sikhs, Jainas. So all types of people they came together to fight against the British because they ruled over our country. Means they are giving punishment. They are ruling over our country. So they work together to decide the joint action. So who work together means our common man, our India country's people. They work together to decide joint action. What they decided, what we have to do, we will do together against the British. They went jail together. They found different ways to oppose them. So what they did about the against the British? So they went jail together and they found different ways to oppose them. So when the British ruled over our India, what happened? They killed many peoples and they ruled over India. They are tortured the Indians, common peoples. So at the time what happened? Now they thought we should decide, we should take a joint action against the British. So they went jail together and they found different ways to oppose them. So when they want to go jail, they went together and they find out the different way how they will oppose the British. Okay. So but British thought they could divide the Indians because they were so different. So at the time what happened? British thought that Indian people are so different because different types of peoples are there here in our country. That is different cultures also, means Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Jainas. So all the different types of peoples are there and different background also there and different regions also are there, peoples are there in our country. So they thought, what they thought? They thought we can divide the peoples because Indian peoples are so different. They thought they will divide us. But what happened at the time? They could be different and be united in their battle against the British. But they could be different, means all the Indian peoples are maybe different, maybe different cultures, background and different regions. But at the time of battle against British, we are the united, means we are together. Means we are together at the time of battle against the British. It may be battle against the British, it may be other crisis or it may be other bad situations. We all are the unit, or all are the united, or we all are the together against the British. So at the time what happened? You might have heard the Jallianwala Bagh massacres. What happened in Amritsar? The British killed many common peoples by the fire. Thousands of people killed by British. At the time what happened? There were some different types of songs they sing against the British and they protest. And when the firing is going on, so all the common types of peoples, means Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and different types of rich and poor families, persons, they all came together to protest against the British. and to protest against the British and to get freedom. So at that time what happened, different types of songs and symbols they used to protest against the British. So songs and symbols that emerged during the freedom struggle because to remember our country's rich tradition and respect diversity. So when our simple thing, when our British ruled over India 200 years before ruled over the India. At that time, our country's people, what they did, they came together. All kind of people means the different religious and different regions people and different culture background people, they came together to fight against the British. So there could be songs and symbols that emerged during the freedom struggle because to remember our country's rich tradition and respect diversity. So at that time what they did, they were sing different types of songs and they used different types of symbols to protest them against the British because they want to show, means we all are want to show that our country's rich tradition, our country is full of rich tradition, different type of tradition and respect diversity. They want to prove that we all are maybe different in different cultures background, we may be Hindu, Muslim and Sikh, but at the time of crisis, at the time of battle, we all are the unit. So that is called unity in diversity. It totally shows that how our India is unity after all a diversity country also. Okay, so this is all about history, how our country's people in past 200 years ago, how our people showed our unity in diversity, means our unity and they all are together and they fought against the British before 200 years ago. So this is all about the unity in diversity. So once again I repeat, India's diversity has a source of strength, means our diversity gives strength, means it is the source of our strength. So alternately, directly you can say diversity means this is our strength. We should not think Hindu different, Muslim different, Sikh different, Jain different. So we should think in the time of battle, in the time of crisis and the time of natural disaster, we all are the unit or we all are the together. When the British ruled India, women and men from different cultures, religious and regional background came together to oppose the British. It may be Hindu, Muslim and all the rich, poor family, they came together to fight against British. When the India's freedom movement was going on, because we need at the time freedom, they were together to decide the joint action. What they went joined together and they found different way to oppose them. They found different way, they decided and they thought different way we should oppose them. But British thought that they could divide the Indians because they were so different. Because British thought that Indian people are so different, so we can divide them easily, but it did not happen. They could be different but be united in the battle against the British. All Indians are maybe different cultures, maybe different background, but at the time of battle they are united or they are together. Songs and symbols that emerged during the freedom struggle because to remember our country's rich tradition and respect diversity. At that time when the battle was going on and when the India's freedom movement was going on, at that time the India's people, means our country's people, they were different types of songs they sing and they used different symbols to protest against the British because they want to prove that our tradition is full of rich and respect diversity. They want to show our rich of tradition and respect diversity. How? It's our country. Okay. So this is all about our country, how short the unity in diversity. So just now we can say, take another example. Now the China and India's fighting is going on due to border issue. So at the time of this crisis is going on, but we are all together against the China. We all are unity, or we all are the together against the China, because China and India border crisis, means border issue is going on. So now we can show our unity. Now we can show our how we are together at the time of battle. Okay. For other example, I can say, we can say also, before the corona pandemic is going on, so at that time our prime minister is giving different instructions. So student, so this is shows how our India is unit or together after all the diversity. Okay students, so we can say another other now present example also, how nowadays our India and China border issue is going on. So at that time what our government decided, means we rejected all the Chinese app, means even in the PUBG is a very popular game. We also, our government also with along with our government, all our Indian people also rejected or the Chinese app, and we are rejected to buy any other Chinese material also. So this is shows that our unity, our strength, and it is shows that our togetherness. That means at the time of battle or at the time of crisis, we all are the together, we show our unity, means unity is strength. That means after all our diversity country, but at the time of battle we all are the unity. And we can other example, we can say also how our India is unity in diversity, or how our India is together at the time of crisis also. For example, the corona pandemic situation is going on, so in that situation where our government taking decision for our peoples, we all are agree with that, means government taking different types of decision like shutdown, lockdown, so we all are following this also. That means it is also shows our unity in diversity, means we all the people in our countries all are different according to cultures, background, all are things I said you. So after all we are following and we are together at the time of natural disaster or natural crisis. Okay student, so now we will discuss about history of our national flag. We all know our national flag having three colors. First one is first band or first color is called saffron, and middle is called white with Ashoka Chakra, and last one or third one is called green color or green band. How these three colors and with the symbols, how it is shows the protest against the British. And when our national flag was showed against the British during the freedom movement when was going on. So today we will discuss about, or today we will come to know about our history about our national flag. According to my knowledge, very few of the people, some of the people they knows about the national flag, but today I will tell you, just listen carefully. So our national flag having three colors. First one is saffron band or saffron color, first one, then second one is white band or middle one, that is with Ashoka Chakra, and third one is green band or green color we can say. So this is how they are protest. They showed this our national flag and symbols. I told you before, we used different colors and different songs and symbols to protest against the British rule. Okay. So our Indian flag used as the symbols and colors to protest against the British by the people everywhere in all over our country. When the British ruled over our India, when the British freedom movement was going on at that time, how we used different types of songs and symbols to protest against the British. So first one, saffron band, it indicates the strength and courage of our country. So it indicates the strength and the courage of our country. We all are different, but at the time of battle, we all show our strength and courage against our victim or against the British. White band or second middle one, it is indicates the peace and truth with the Dharma Chakra. In middle, white color is there, and that is called white band, and middle there is a Ashoka Chakra is there, that is called Dharma Chakra. So it indicates the peace and truth with the Dharma Chakra of our country. Okay, and green band, it indicates the fertility, growth and surface of land. So it is green band or last one or third one we can say it indicates the fertility, the growth and the auspiciousness of our land. Of our land of means our country. Okay student, understood? So this is all about history about our national flag. So always we will in 15 August we will celebrate our freedom. So that we will show this type of symbol or this type of colors it is indicates all about the our unity in our strength, that is our strength. Okay, so now we will come to know in after getting freedom of our country, our first prime minister, that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, written a book, that is Discovery of our India. In Discovery of India he says that Indian unity is not something imposed outside, but it was the deeper and very deeper and hold within it. That is celebrated different beliefs, wide tolerance of different beliefs and customs was celebrated, every variety of acknowledgement and even encouraged also. So that he coined the term or phrase unity in diversity. So unity in diversity, who coined? That is our first prime minister, that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So he written once again I repeat, he written a book, that is Discovery of India. In that book he explained everything about our India, means how India is a diversity country, but after all how our country shows unity, means togetherness against the British. So all the things he described in his book. So first in that book, he main point he said that Indian unity is not something imposed outside, but it was the deeper and pulled within it. That means different types of beliefs and customs, what we celebrated, what we practiced everywhere, every variety of acknowledgement and every even encouraged also. That means it is so simplified, we can say our country is full of diversity and we practice different types of cultures and background also. So after all how we are together and how we will show our encourage against the battle, against the British. Okay students, understood? I hope all of you understood. So now I will rub this. So our first prime minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, after when our country got freedom, so Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru written a book name is Discovery of India. Okay, in that book what he is written, he says Indian unity is not something imposed outside, okay, but it was something deeper and hold within it, hold within Okay. So Jawaharlal Nehru written a book, Discovery of India. In that book, what he said? He said Indian unity is not something imposed outside, but it was something deeper and pulled within it. That is wide tolerance of beliefs and customs. So wide tolerance of customs was practiced, every variety of acknowledged and even encouraged. So this is all the things he says in the book Discovery of India. So after that he coined the unity in diversity. So lastly he coined unity in diversity. Means unity in diversity of our country. How after all diversity of our country, how it is unity, how they are all the people of our country, they are together at the time of battle. Understood, students? I hope all of you understood clearly unity of diversity, how our country is unity means together at the time of battle against British. It may be the natural disaster or other crisis. So I hope all of you understood very clearly. So thank you very much, students. Take care.